Okay. So, in a few episodes of shorts, we had made some Rubik's Cubes. But today, we will be reassembling the Rubik's Cubes. Okay. So, imagine you had a Rubik's Cube. And if you smash it accidentally or you fell down to the floor and it breaks, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, this is part 1 of our video. You see, I have a screw. Okay, we will have to prepare a screw and a Rubik's Cube. First, you see the lid in the middle? You can actually take it out. You take it out. Good. See? Now you see the screw? Use the screwdriver. And you see the screw getting out and the screw and it fell. Good. Now you see the whole cube. There's no middle and it can break very easily. If you put the side upwards, then it wouldn't fall. So just put it like on the side and haboo. You all fell. And you kind of spin them around some more times. You see they break. Good. Just gonna put this back here to show you the cord. And we just broke the Rubik's Cube. Oh man. Okay, so you see here, this is a normal Rubik's Cube. Some Rubik's Cubes doesn't have a core like this. For example, the 2x2. If you take a block out, okay, I'm still trying to take the block out. Good, see? This is the core. The core is a giant circle here. But as you can see, this core, it's not a circle. And these pieces are not the same to this piece. So it's easier to put back. In this core, you see it can spin. Or the middle pieces of every side. Okay, so I will just put the side back on. And we will just take the pieces that have the bottom color and then reassemble them. Take off the bottom one. Okay, so it will look like this. And we will just put this here, and then just hold those 2 middle pieces, put it in, and also hold the other 2 middle. And then we will just put the other pieces back in, and it will be like this. Okay, we will go to part 2. We're back at part 2. Okay, let's get started. I'm building the cube. Okay, here's the ball cube. See ya. It's over there. Orange will be later. So you see this block with 3 colors. This will be like the corners of the Rubik's Cube. See the corner? Okay. Take a corner and put it with something like this. Put it in, get. So I found another 3 color of orange in the bottom. See? Okay, now like 1x3. So I will have to put it here. See? Found the 3 color with a white. And put it here. And you see, I found a green and orange. Just put it in. Lastly, we have the last corner. Okay, so this will be our last piece of orange. Good. Good, now we're finished. use 4 hands. So good. Okay, you see here? We put it in and
Oh no, I forgot to set the door.
good.
Oh no,
Okay, we have this other piece. Now put it in here. See? And
Oh no,
we just have one more piece, which is this piece. Slide it in. Now we have a previous piece. I think it's kind of hard. Because it may break. Okay, it's all screwed perfectly.
I'm done.
And put it back in. Let's continue the last layer. Now we open this. Now we
My pen is just rubbing
out.
It's only red.
Okay.
Let's just rub the pen in.
Okay, now I'll put this in the trash can. See ya. Now let's put in the final layer. Okay, now we put this on here.
I need candy.
Nobody asked me. And let's also put it here.
I don't know how to make it back.
Red, blue, and yellow. Put back in. And good.
Oh no, I forgot to shut
Good.
the door. Oh no, I forgot to shut the door. Oh no,
And
I
good.
forgot to shut the door. Oh, the big yes,
Good. See? In fact, we take this and put it back in. Okay. I'll just screw it back on. Oh no. So you can actually play with it now. Okay, but you have to put the mirror back on, or else it will be super ugly. And we've successfully finished it with only 2 videos. Okay, so don't miss our next Rubik's Cube shorts. And look at our Rubik's Cube tower. Ta-da!
And the candy too.
See ya! Bye! And also please subscribe to our other video. Bye bye!
Sao đây mà?